What up, tubers? This is Ray, the old DOS Geek, rwcweb.com, Rayware Computers since 1996. So what do I want to talk to you about today? I got a couple of questions, asking about, what to do with these, these free landing pages and lead pages you get from various places. These ones that come with the private label rights, like this one is a Clickbank one, and I believe in my one video, I uploaded this. If you look up here, you see I uploaded this. I show you how to upload all these files that come with it. You take this and you zip it up. I'll leave a link in the description. I'll have it at the end. Yeah, sorry, I got a lot of back noise over here today because of this craziness around here with all this flooding and everything. But I digress on that for the moment. Now, these private label right things, there's a couple of steps you got to take to them to make it your own, so to speak, and rebrand it or reuse it, anything you want to do with it, But the old DOS Geek's going to show you some new tricks, Now, this here was uploaded, and again, I'll leave a link in this video description on how to upload this without using any kind of FTP, file transfer protocol, such as, I don't know what it's called, Godzilla, Mozilla. You don't want to use too many programs to get your things going, because there's a program to do everything literally, but you want to think, the old DOS Geek, I like to keep things simple, and I like you to keep things simple so you don't get discouraged and you don't get overwhelmed, and this can be an enjoyable experience for you. So now these uploads that come with these things, some of them are just like this, some of them are pretty primitive. I'm not sure if, I think I got them over here. Let's see. And of course, it's always great to do things from scratch. It's always great to do things from scratch. I think it was here. PLR branding. Like, I took an old one and I changed it into this using the same copy and paste in the text and everything from the old primitive sales page. Again, that's in another video of mine. Ones like this, I actually made it both part from a sales page, part from the ebook that the ebook that came with it. Now, what I want to talk to you about today is, can't seem to find this. I don't think that's the guy. This is one I made from scratch also. I'll find it. It's this was the most recent one that I did, and it had I actually took these 10 things from the private label rights. They give you, they give you the ebook, they give you all kinds of things that go with it, I'm going to be cutting a lot of that stuff out. And they'll give you pretty much everything you need, a lot of them. Now, if you're looking for software, always use the word freeware in front of it. Now you can use the word free, but the word free by itself, you're going to get a lot of free, it's going to query a lot of free things. Most likely have nothing to do with what you want. Okay, now if you never heard of freeware, back in the day, freeware was the most shit nizzle of anything. Okay, and it's still around today, and a lot of these are very old companies. When I put that name in there, freeware, okay, so now when I did freeware HTML editor, because it's great having all of these. Well, this one is a real crappy one, and you can use it, but they do it a little bit different today. But it's great having a pre-formatted landing page like this, or sales page, whatever you want to call it. Okay, but how do you edit it, right? How do you edit the thing? Now, I came across this software. It was in one of these blogs somewhere, and a lot of times, especially with affiliate marketing, you got to do your research on anything you put your hands on and you intend to use. Okay, especially if it's an affiliate thing in Clickbank and everything. You got to email them, see if they respond to you. My recommendations: any product that you're really serious about selling or pushing for them, or just being an affiliate on a blog somewhere with it, research them and buy their product. If it's cheap enough for you to afford, buy their product and see how they treat their customers, because essentially you're going to be sending them your customers. Okay, so this BlueGriffin, it's been around for a long time. Okay, and as opposed to Adobe Dreamweaver and these other ones, I like drag and drop. I like WebStart's the ultimate drag and drop. Okay, so this BlueGriffin is free, and again, if say with me, if it's for free, it's for me. Okay, it shows you without a license, you either got to buy a basic license or you buy a whole license that you can use it on a lot of different computers. These days, I don't think that's even regulated. In other words, you buy a license for a computer, what they had a thing on it. Once you get on the internet, it lets you know what computer you're on. So we used to call it a bomb. Okay. Now I thought this was kind of strange that you actually got to buy their user's manual, but it's only like $8. Okay. Now this software, it can be used, and it's very, very technical, but it is also a very stable and well-written program. I just got my hands on it, so I've only played with it for a minute. Okay. But basically, if HTML, this is a dream come true here. Okay, so now this is in, I believe, Quid, what they call Quid in the English, not in the English, in the United Kingdom currency, European currency. So I believe this is like $80, $90, and this is like probably like over $220 or $230. You can do a quick search on that, okay? Excuse me. But this is probably like, as a matter of fact, let's do it real quick. And I'm gonna buy this. Okay, so that's a button. Let me just do this quick check here. Just highlight it and search it. Let's see what it is. All right, so whoa, $89 for the book? Can't be. No, it's over here. I'm sorry, $7.50. So it's got to be like 14 or 15 bucks. Okay. Old Dosky guys playing tricks on me. All right, so it's $8, and I'm gonna probably buy it because I think it's a great program. Okay, so here it is in the real time. All right, now I've been futzing with it. Now it's very sophisticated program, but it's not that sophisticated where you can easily learn on it. Okay, so now what you want to do, like anything else, you're gonna want to back up any, you're gonna want to back up any files that you edit in anything first. Okay. So this was pretty cool.
Are you selling information product or
Okay.
marketing as?
So now don't forget, and you open it like a word processor, and you go to the file, and you look for the file. Okay, see where I'm at here? Okay, let's open the thank you page. All right, and they ask you if you want to open it up in a tab or a window. I like to do the tabs thing. Okay, this is that other one that I had. Okay, let's open up that one too now. Let's see what that one was. That original. All right, so let's go back here. Sales letter, website, squeeze page. Okay, so we're going to go here. All right. So this is the squeeze page. All right. That's the thank you page. This is a little squeeze page. And boom. Okay, it shows you. Now, again, with this program, okay, it's called BlueGriffin. There's so many things you could do with it. Now, once you're inside, it's not really drag and drop, but it is more like a word processor. Okay, like Microsoft Word, Microsoft Office. Okay, so now I just wanted to introduce you to it. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to research this myself, okay, because there's a lot of techie stuff in here. You can change all that, look at the source code, print the preview, okay. So there's a lot to it, but it is a great program to get you started on your affiliate marketing websites, okay. So this is Ray from rwcweb.com, raywarecomputers.com. Since 1996. Got my new YouTube channel going. It's a lot of work, man, let me tell you, but I got a lot of good videos coming up. Got a lot of good videos up already. Got a lot of great people contacting me, okay? So I'm going to ask you to like and subscribe and to hit that notification button. Hey, because that's what YouTube tells me to tell you guys. Take care.